Continue, guys. Huh? Okay. So the next one, we have signs and symptoms. Number one, diarrhea. Sometimes in the board exam, they will not put diarrhea class. We can have this one as your loose, watery. If bloody, that is ulcerative colitis. If non-bloody, it is your Crohn's disease. So if there is diarrhea, your patient is high risk for dehydration. That's why, how is it asked in the NLE board exam? What is the nursing diagnosis if the patient has diarrhea? Nursing diagnosis ang tanong class, then we can answer, guys, fluid volume deficit. You can also have fluid and electrolyte imbalance. So I would like you to highlight this one. So this is a very common exam question. So tinatanong kasi yan sa NLE if you have this disorder. So those are the connection, or those could be the connected question regarding the sign and symptom. Okay, number two, anemia.